नहीं है बरका, मैंने अभी फिर से बात की है.
Apparently the story is coming not from Reddy but from Chennai, some section of the DMK.
No, it's coming from.
You see what happened was everybody I know in the Congress was just swearing in. So I haven't been able to speak to the top guys. Now it's just finished, so now I'm going to make my set of calls.
Sunny has just landed in Chennai now. Just now, just spoke.
And where is Daya? Where is Maran?
Daya didn't turn up for the swearing in because he was called back because he went and told Karunanidhi that I've been asked by Ahmed Patel to come for the swearing in. So the leader said, then you join Congress. So
now?
then Raja was the only one who was authorized to attend, which he's done, and Raja is catching the 8:40 flight. Karunanidhi from the time he's landed has been sleeping, has been resting. He's got a back issue, as you know. And the meeting is going to take place tomorrow.
Okay.
Internal. Unki internal.
Huh, Neera?
Because what I'm told is that Congress yesterday apparently, God knows who they are talking to in the DMK, relayed that the infrastructure portfolio should not be given to Maran or Balu.
No, that's because they wanted to keep it for themselves.
No, they didn't want any infrastructure. That was what Prime Minister said. So he said that's why they gave them labor, fertilizer, chemical, and telecom IT. They said for Raja. So what has happened is that message has not got relayed to Karunanidhi.
Oh, I
They
see.
might have told some minion down the line or told Maran, who's not relaying the truth.
I think they've told Maran.
Yeah. Now what they need to do is they need to speak to Kani, so she can set up the discussion with her father. Because even the Prime Minister's discussion she was the one who was translating, and it was a very brief discussion for 2 minutes.
Okay.
That we'll try and work it out and let's not, take any hasty decision. That was the type of conversation that happened.
No, I'll set it up as soon as they get out of RCR. Yeah.
Right. What she's saying is that, someone senior like Ghulam, because he's the one who's authorized to speak, right?
Yeah.
Wants to speak to her, then she can tell her father that I have got this message from the Congress.
Not a problem. That's not a problem. I talk to Azad right after they get out of RCR.
Yeah, and then she said, as soon as my father lands, I can speak to him.
Okay.
And but she said, what is problem? The problem is that the Congress not understanding that nobody's coming and telling my father anything. So they're